right, let's get it going. It's one of those nights, folks. Gonna go for a drive here. Let's make it happen. Everybody keeping it pretty mellow tonight. Don't want to mess around with any wildlife or be too loud for all the neighbors. This is a pretty closed off type of street in a sense that, well, I guess where I'm going with this is not too many homeowners are right backed up the roads. Hopefully it shouldn't be too loud for them by any means. Whenever I see cars in our lane, I'm always slowing down. I want to be conscientious to all the people that are also driving the roads. Well, there's no one like now. We'll go and have some fun. Oh, there's more lights. And now we're And then for those of you who know me, I don't play with the straightaways, so when roads get a bit more straight like that, I keep it pretty chill. Dang, too bad. I already caught someone here. Give them some space, now it's time to have fun again. Beautiful night, hot summer night up here in the central part of California. Beautiful road right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful road. So for those of you who don't actually know me, thanks for stopping by. My name is Mellow Connor. I'm starting this new channel where I'm out driving S2000. Hopefully some other cars in the future. I'm a car enthusiast, as are probably you if you're watching these videos. And I'm just trying to go out there, share the driving, share the stoke, share some positivity with the community. If you like what you're seeing, feel free to like, subscribe. Any and all of it helps. I really appreciate y'all.